Alright, so that PDF showing us the general information about our soils is one type of data that we can get. But let's go back to this soil map. Actually, sorry, the Soil Data Explorer. And let's take a look at vegetative reproductivity. And remember, we talked about this Iowa corn suitability rating. Let's say I'm buying a farm and I'm having a little argument with the farmer and he thinks he's got a really good field, but when I come here and I run the ratings, I can see, you know what, you've got some pretty good areas, but you've also got some areas down here that are really, you've got 2, 3, 4, 5, about 5 or 6 acres, roughly 1/6 of the farm field here that's really not all that great. And I want to take this out and show him. So rather than taking my computer out, what I can do is go up here, take the corn suitability rating, click view rating so it puts it into the map, and then come up here to say printable version. And what this printable version does, again, I can put a custom title in. I'll say Old Horse. And view. What this does is it will generate a quick little 2 or 3 page PDF detailing the corn suitability rating for this field and providing all this information we just looked at here. So we'll wait a minute here as my computer takes forever. Here we go. And so just like we saw before, this one is less formal. It does not have the cover page and all the introductory stuff. Instead, it's a quick and dirty. Here is some basic information about the Iowa corn suitability rating contained within your fields. So you can see they've got it broken out by color, kind of how the ratings line up. Second page, just like others, map legends, telling us what everything means. So you can see the rating right here. If it's red, it means it's less than 20. If it's a yellow, it's 20 to 28. Green, 28 to 35, and so on and so forth. And so we can see that the darker the blue is, the higher the rating, moving down towards green, and red is the poorest. The last page has the map units, map name, map unit names. It's got the actual rating spelled out, the acres in our field that is in that. And then down here, the last thing, it's got a little description telling us, what exactly is the suitability rating and how can it be used. So that's a way to go ahead and get some information of a specific type of data that is not found within that generic file that we looked at last time. So let's say I want to save this or print it off and give it to somebody that I'm dealing with. I can go ahead and save this PDF to my computer, and I now have a permanent record of this information that I found on this website.